Hello there. Well, here I am in a capital city. But which capital city? Is it Dublin? Or New York? Or Paris? Well, the Old Town Square has a carnival atmosphere with various characters. Big cuddly animals, stalls, and this street just off the old square about 10 minutes ago was almost empty. But look at it now, it's absolutely crowded. And what are they waiting to see? Well, it's the astronomical clock or horloge. So yes, we're in Prague. The oldest part of the horloge is the mechanical clock and astronomical dial, and they date back to 1410. Around 1490, the calendar dial was added, and the clock facade was decorated with Gothic sculptures. The horloge has undergone many changes over the centuries, the latest in 2018 when it was taken down for reconstruction. On the 28th of September was the great unveiling. When at 6 p.m. it came alive after 9 months of silence. Death tips his hourglass and pulls the cord. The windows open and the 12 apostles parade past. The cock crows and finally the bell rings. The figures on either side of the clock, which incidentally shake their heads, represent the sins. They have changed from pride, greed and envy to vanity, greed and hedonism. The stationary figures on either side of the calendar represented virtues, kindness, charity, humility. Nowadays they have been changed to a scribe, an astronomer and a chronicler, more occupations than virtues. Incidentally, this calendar plate is a replacement dating from 1880. The original is housed in the City Museum. But can you tell the time from this clock? Well, yes, but much more. It tells you the phases of the moon, sunset, current sign of the zodiac, each day's special saint, and of course the time. All this information and more if you know how to interpret it. But that's another story.